Okay, so unboxing videos are really popular, and I'm here today with Felix, and he's going to unbox this Royal Enfield Himalayan in red. So take it away, Felix.
All right, here we go.
So you can see how well Royal Enfield packs their bikes. You know, they got to come a long way from India, and they do a super job. So Felix has got it all unboxed, and you can see there's quite a lot to do. So what else do you have to do now for the last of the unboxing here, Felix?
Well, make sure all the plastics and all the ropes are off. Put the mirrors on. Check it over, make sure there's no damage when it's uncrated.